Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable notification in IMVU application using your mobile device. If you want to enjoy your IMVU experience without constant interruption, then you can easily disable the push notifications. First of all, open up your IMVU application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile avatar at the top right corner and then click on the cog or the gear icon at the top right. Once you do this, you'll open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on push notifications. Under push notifications, go ahead and toggle off any notification type you don't want to receive. For example, if you don't want to receive friend request notification alerts, toggle off the button right next to friend request. You can repeat this step for every other notifications alert you don't want to receive. If you don't want to receive any notifications, make sure that you turn all these buttons off. After you do that, you can get back to the home page and you have successfully disabled push notifications in IMVU, giving you a quieter, more focused experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.